You're overreacting and everything.
Come on, tell me all the things we couldn't see, all those moments we keep going on to feel complete, yeah. Come on, tell me all the lies I should have seen. It's all over and it was a world of make-believe. I gotta need to open up my mind. This kind of love, it all just got us blind. The memories we know, we gotta save them so. Just tell me that you won't be here tonight. Please tell me that you won't be. Please tell me that you won't. Please tell me that you won't be. I really need to know. Please tell me that you won't be here tonight. Slow down on our playground. Shall we take a step or two? Start all over, forget all the past and start anew, yeah. Should we move on? Should I stay strong? Or should I give us one last chance? My mind is trapped now, don't know how we can solve this. Maybe it's too late. I gotta need to open up my mind. This kind of love, it all just got us blind. The memories we know, we gotta save them so. Just tell me that you won't be here tonight. I gotta need to